First one I'll talk about is CASA 3. That's from Kegman Avenue to the city limits, 3.6 miles. We've talked about it a little bit. When we talk about that project, I always talk in 4 segments. There's from Kegman Avenue to 7th Avenue, which is the intersection at Casey's. That's some spot curb and gutter and sidewalk replacement. That should be done this week. Hopefully they're going to patch in some bituminous yet this week. And there's a lighting contractor there currently right now. So, but after this week, all the barrels and kind of construction items should be moved farther to the east. It will be less busy. Again, lighting contractor should be there, but then the mill and overlay probably won't happen till towards the end of August. So it'll be a little less busy, but yet construction will not be complete yet. The roundabout at 7th Avenue and River Road. We just last Wednesday had a meeting with MnDOT in the city and decided to postpone that until 2023. I can tell you that on must have been Tuesday afternoon, I mailed out 100 letters explaining the process, which I was a little late on because it's been kind of chaos with this project. We've had some material supply issues that we haven't really known how this was all going to sequence, but we made a decision Tuesday and sent out a letter, and Wednesday morning we had the meeting and decided to postpone the roundabout. Mainly because of the concern of moving all that traffic, detouring that traffic through town here, Highway 2 and 169. So there's going to be another 10,000 cars a day through that corridor. So I believe MnDOT's got a small project near the courthouse here that posed another issue with timing of this. Originally, when the project was planned, we were going to build the roundabout in June and July, but this spring, kind of a first, but concrete suppliers could not deliver any concrete pipe or manholes until mid-August. And that was if you ordered it in April. So that's basically, I've never heard of that, and nobody has. So, but obviously.
But Elk River didn't have any, I mean, that's where they're making them. They didn't have any concrete or something, or what?
Well, I talked to the suppliers myself because obviously this was a huge concern for all construction. So they had so many projects came in January, February, and March that they could not supply. If you wanted a box culvert and you ordered it in the spring of 22, you would not see it until sometime in 2023. Wow. So luckily we didn't need a box culvert, but still it impacted our project. And again, we will not see any concrete structures until mid-August on this River Road project. So we'll have to send out another letter to those residents along that corridor, but the roundabout is right now 2023, and we're working with MnDOT to try to look at the timing of some of the signals through town here and trying to look at ways with the least impact.